Thanks for watching Erica's Little Creation. Today I'm showing you a home decor of the diamond wrap organizer. You can either hang it or you can have it stored on your desk when you're doing the DIY. These are the two that I made. There are different sizes, as you can see. I have big ribbons in one, so that made it a little different. The sticks dazzle that you see, you can have one end with the diamond on it. You pull that stick out and you can restore it and stock more in, as you see it coming out the other end. So what we have here is the back that has those two glue stick things on the back of it. That's to hang it. You have to let that glue stay there for a little bit, for at least about a couple hours. What I used on there, I didn't use the glue stick. I used the E6000 because if you place it on the wall, it will fall. So put the E6000, let it stay there for some hours to dry, and then you will come out with this. It is so easy to make. It's made out of a box, and I did the material with the diamond wrap going around it. Something simple, unique, with the gems, the pink and the clear diamond gems on there. You can either make this out of something else that you want to make it out of, but see how easy and organized that is. So when I do my DIYs, all I have to do is reach over to get a ribbon, and it's already organized with the colors of how I stocked it. You can make it a wide lid of a box and make it, as long as you have those sticks that can go through from one end to the other, so that way that you can stock them in. You can use that outside of the stick to store more diamond wraps, or you can place scissors, or you can place tape on the side of stuff that you need extra storage on the side of each end. It's totally up to you. But I believe it came out wonderful. So when I hang it on the wall, it's a good thing. Storage, as you see, I do need to restock some more in there, as you see the space that's open. And if you want to make it bigger, you can also go to Home Depot and get a bigger stick and make it a wide length. I can show you that on a different video. So once you go ahead and subscribe to Erica's Little Creation, I will be dropping videos every day or every other day as possible. And if you're new, go ahead and subscribe, thumbs up, leave me a comment. If y'all have new ideas that y'all think that I should do next, go ahead and leave me a comment below, and I will try it, and I will give you back a feedback on it. And I want to thank everyone that came in to watch Erica's Little Creation. God bless you, and y'all have a nice day. Erica's Little Creation.